suppose this is the artery of a normal person, right? And this is the artery of the person who is having a stenosis, right? So basically the diameter of this vessel is normal, right? And there is no stenosis. So blood flow pattern in this red one is the laminar flow, right? The blood is going smoothly. But in this artery, the blood is not going smoothly. At here, what is happening is there is the laminar blood flow is point per, and there is the laminar blood flow at that point. But at this point, the laminar blood flow is going to be disrupted, and the Reynolds number is increased at this site, right? What is Reynolds number? Is the basically the probability of having the turbulence, right? So here is the laminar blood flow and here is the laminar blood flow, but at this point there is the turbulence, and where the turbulence is created in the vessel, right? So the bruit is come, right? For example, if you put these teeth on this point, right? So basically you heard a sound, right? You heard a sound, and this sound is basically indicate that the patient is having a stenosis in the in its vascular system, right? So basically this indicates the stenosis. This is the clinical examination which we perform, right? Agar aap this is the artery. If you do the auscultation of this artery, you are going to find nothing, right? There is no bruit. But if you auscultate on this artery, you can heard a bruit. This is due to you can heard at the carotid artery, there is the atherosclerosis of the carotid artery, or there is the stenosis of the renal artery. So this is the bruit, right? And the murmur is the turbulence is created inside the heart, right? And you heard that sound. This is the basically what that is murmur, right? So this is the difference between a murmur and the bruit. Bruit is in the vessel, murmur is in the heart. It is the audible sound of the turbulence. Thank you.